Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Fiesta. So from any screen, that's the home screen there. If you click the house up at the top there, and then you've got audio, phone, mobile apps and settings. You don't want the phone. What you need is settings. Click on settings, and then you go to Bluetooth. You find Bluetooth, the Bluetooth symbol. Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device, view devices. So we click on view devices, and there you go. You see Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. That's the one I want to delete. So we click on that, and you see connect phone, connect media, make favorite or delete, and we want to delete. Yes.